Click on the link below to get price. The Fairphone 55G stands out as a commendable entry in the world of smartphones, particularly for those who prioritize sustainability and ethical manufacturing. This international version, equipped with 256GB of storage and 8GB of RAM, provides a robust performance that can compete with leading devices on the market. First and foremost, the design of the Fairphone 5 is refreshingly modular, allowing users to easily replace components such as the battery and camera. This modularity not only extends the phone's lifespan but also empowers users to make repairs without needing specialized tools for technical expertise. The device is crafted from recycled materials, showcasing a commitment to reducing electronic waste, which is a significant concern in today's tech-driven world. Performance-wise, the Fairphone 5 is powered by a competent processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient app handling. The 8GB of RAM complements this, making it suitable for heavy usage, including gaming and streaming. The vibrant 6.46-inch display offers excellent color reproduction, ideal for media consumption. While it may not have the same high-end specs as its more expensive counterparts, it certainly holds its ground for everyday tasks. Camera performance is another highlight, with a dual camera setup that captures sharp and detailed images, especially in good lighting conditions. The software optimizations enhance user experience, though low-light performance is an area that could see improvement. Battery life is impressive, lasting a full day with regular use, and the ability to replace the battery is a significant advantage over many competitors. Fairphone's commitment to software updates and transparency in its supply chain further solidifies its appeal among eco-conscious consumers. In conclusion, the Fairphone 55G is an excellent choice for anyone looking to make a positive impact through their purchasing decisions. While it may not boast the flashiest features, its emphasis on sustainability, modularity, and ethical production makes it a unique and worthwhile investment in today's smartphone landscape.